I'm going to pick up this one.
You want to pick up this one? That's something different. This is by Aoshima.
I don't know, is it appropriate?
Appropriate for what? Appropriate for us?
You tell me.
Absolutely. So this is a Super Messiah Klan Klang. So this is the Variable Fighting Girl series by Aoshima, which is very similar to...
Variable Fighting Girl.
Yeah.
Last thing you want is a consistent fighting girl.
That's right. This is in a similar vein as the Frame Arm Girls from Kotobukiya.
I love that word. Kotobukiya.
So they're like a 1/10, 1/12 scale figurine.
Is she?
Yeah.
And she comes with the suit too?
Yeah, so the suit is actually an aircraft.
Wow, she's got big hair. That's going to get stuck.
If you look at the side...
Lucky it doesn't get singed.
So the side shows the different variations you can set her up as.
We're going to be all out of focus.
You reckon we can get in there?
Oh.
Let's just pull that out there. We've got a bit of reflection going on. Okay, so we've got... What's she doing there? Just holding onto it like a weapon? And then she's wearing it as a suit. And then there's the aircraft by itself.
What's it called? Batroid mode. Fighter mode.
Over here, you got her in various guises of wearing different bits and pieces.
Normal version, armored clan version.
Yeah. And then you got your 4 different facial expressions.
Because you need that.
Yeah. And there's a variety of different hands in there as well, gripping different things. So you can do pretty much the same sort of thing as you would with a frame arm girl.
I'm going to do stop motion. Have I told you?
Stop motion would be awesome.
I'm going to do stop motion with my new little Gundam.
Really?
Yeah.
So big box because there's lots of stuff in it. And you imagine there's the aircraft and then the figurine.
He's going to cook. I'm not sure, yep. Going to cook.
Cook. All right. Fair enough then. All right. So there we go. I think that's all I've got in plastic.